Hey guys, welcome back to the FixItPhillip Auto channel. We have a 2006 Toyota Camry 2.4 liter 4-cylinder automatic trans, and it has a busted radiator. So we're going to do a quick video on the radiator replacement. There's a new radiator right there, and we're going to put it in here. Alright, we're going to take this splash shield off. Here's a little drain petcock here. We're going to let out whatever coolant's in there still. And take off these transmission oil cooler lines and take off this lower radiator hose. A bunch of 10mm bolts, a couple clips. That's it. We'll let that drain out. Get yourself some old spark plugs. You plug these lines here. You're gonna take this lower radiator hose off. Okay, that's all done on the bottom. We'll lower the car back down and do the rest from the top. Okay, I'm gonna get this metal piece off here. I'm sure everybody does it a little bit different. This is the way I do it. Just got a bunch of 10s here for that. Two over here. Over here. Disconnect the electrical connector for both horns. And then this piece is a T. There's two 10mm bolts here on the side and then one on the bottom that you can get through the lower grill. Lift this up. There's a cable right here for the hood latch. Just be careful with that. Careful with the battery. Set that off to the side. Look at that. The radiator blew wide open. Wow. All right, just gonna get this upper radiator hose off. And I'm just gonna take it out with the whole fan shroud. Just disconnect the fans from here. Get this hose off. Make sure you save these little bushings here for the top. Same with the bottom ones as well. Okay, and then we're just gonna swap this radiator fan shroud from the old radiator to the new one. We got 3 10mm bolts here. And these transmission cooler line fittings here, I was just double checking to make sure that these are tightened down, because you never know. Same with this too, make sure it's tight. That's good. Make sure you're pointing in the right direction too. All right, now we can put it back in. All right, new radiator's ready. Make sure you got these bushings installed in the bottom, whether you put them on the radiator or right here where they belong on the radiator support itself. Okay. Okay, and then put these bushings back on top. Put this back on. We can get these back in. Just get them started for now. Make sure everything lines up. Let me get that one on the bottom here. Okay. Okay, and we can connect the radiator fan harness. this upper hose back on. Okay. My battery's dead. And then the horns. Okay, we'll lift it back up in the air and connect the hoses on the bottom. There's one hose. Tranny cooler. All right, let's put some coolant in it. Okay, I'll get this overflow hose back on. We'll put a funnel on it, fill it up with coolant, let it run, turn the heater on, make sure the heater gets hot, let all the air bubbles come out. Just had that universal yellow coolant in there before, so we're just gonna keep it the same. All right, let's fire it up. We'll monitor the temperature with the scan tool. We'll hook up the TOPDON Phoenix Smart and turn the heater on. Let all the air bubbles get out of this system. All right, we're just gonna do read live data. Look for engine coolant temperature, and we'll graph that. We're currently at 141.8 degrees. We'll let it warm up, let the thermostat open, and keep getting the air pockets out. Make sure that the radiator fans are coming on and all that good stuff. All right, we're at 203. Fans just kicked on. Fan just turned off. See the temperature is dropping, the thermostat opened up. 192, 190. No more air in the system. So we're good to go. Alright guys, well that's it for the radiator replacement on this Camry. Everything's checking out fine. I was just monitoring the coolant temp a little bit with the cap on, and everything's checking out good. Around 203 degrees. The thermostat opens up, fans come on, and then drops down to about 192 to 194 degrees. So everything's checking out good. So thank you very much for watching Fix It Phillip. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.